Now let's connect and present with PresentPal. You will need to have a deck of flashcards created in order to present with the app. Tap on the deck that you want to deliver and click Present in the top right corner of the screen. Now choose how you would like to present. You can present with a slideshow and connect to a PowerPoint or Google Slideshow, where you can control your slides as you present, or you can choose to present just on the device if you don't have a slideshow. Once in presentation mode, PresentPal guides you through your notes with the current bullet point magnified and appearing significantly larger than the others around it, helping users to pick up where they left off if they lose their place, or pause to make eye contact during a presentation. To move through the bullets, you can either swipe up on your screen or use the accessible scroll buttons if you have this feature activated. When you reach the last bullet, you will automatically be moved on to the next flashcard when you swipe up. If you see the message icon displayed next to a bullet, this shows that a safety net is available. Simply tap on the bullet to display the safety net on screen. These can be shown as text or images to help you expand on your point or jog your memory. If you want to skip a flashcard or move a couple of flashcards back during your presentation, simply click the flashcard icon on the top left corner of your screen to view the full list of flashcards and select the one you want to see. Once you've completed your presentation, you can evaluate how it went by self-assessing your performance. Now you know how to control and present using the PresentPal app. Get ready to deliver presentations with confidence.